Revenue loss for the fourth consecutive quarter. The iPhone maker is also expecting a seasonally strong holiday quarter to be a dull one. Hormaz is standing by now to take us through the Q4 numbers. Revenue declining, the worst streak in over 2 decades, Hormaz, but the commentary on India, that's the silver lining.
Well, absolutely, and it's pretty much the same as what they said in the last quarter as well with regards to India. They continue to maintain that India remains a core market. But before we get to India, I'll take you through the numbers. And as you said, it was the fourth consecutive quarter where revenue declined for Apple. And this is the streak, the longest streak since 2001. And that is not where the bad part ends, because the management also said that the December quarter revenue, which is the holiday quarter, is also going to be flat year on year. And that is particularly bad because it's the holiday-related quarter. People do a lot of shopping, and analysts were also projecting a 5% revenue growth from Apple in the holiday quarter, but the management said that it is going to be flat. So what is bothering Apple at the moment? The bothersome factor is that one of its key market is facing a lot of issues, and that is China. And China is its third largest market because 1/5 of Apple sales come from there. It is also its largest production base, and they have been slowly losing market share there. For this quarter, the revenues from Greater China were the lowest since the middle of 2022. And that is what is bothering them. And why is that so? And that is because of Huawei. Because Huawei, the US and China are already facing a lot of issues with regards to technology sharing. And Huawei slyly launched their own smartphone in August, which contains a lot of these features, and as a result of which Apple is losing market share in China. But Tim Cook seems to think otherwise. He told analysts on the earnings call that it's all hunky-dory over there, demand is good, sales are fine. He attributed the weakness to the underperformance of the Mac and the iPad. Now coming to India, which as you said was the silver lining, they said that the iPhone revenue was a record high in this quarter as well. And India is an incredibly exciting market and a major area of focus for the company. And they said that since they have a low market share in the country, they have plenty of headroom to grow. And lastly, they said that a lot of people moving into the middle class and increasing distribution reach is also going to boost Apple's prospects in the country. So all in all, India did well. A lot of other emerging markets also did well. But the core, one of its key markets is facing issues, and that is why the stock is reacting negatively at this point of time.
All right, Hormaz, many thanks for joining.